Khushboo. So today I'm sharing with you all a 3-product makeup challenge, and this look with only using 3 products. This is a really easy everyday minimal makeup routine, and I'm using 3 products to achieve this look and a brush, and also teaching you 2 different techniques to achieve this look. If you have interest in watching this video and if you want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So guys, for my right eyes I'm using brush, and for my left eyes I'm using my fingertips to show you 2 different techniques. The first product I use is a compact. Compact I'm using today is Lakme Sun Expert SPF 40 PA++ Ultra Matte Compact. It's a nice compact to control your sebum production. It also have SPF to protect you from sun damage. So firstly we use this to cover up to little bit of coverage. So firstly we use our compact to cover up little bit of our dark circle. Apply on your upper lid too. This is my skin look after compact. It gives me a little bit coverage and it makes my skin glowy. I really like this compact. The second and the star product of this makeup look is a lipstick. Today I am using Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This lipstick has a moussey texture, so you can use it in lot of ways. The shade today I am using is 47. So firstly we use on our cheeks. Rub it nicely. In our second chin too. In our second cheeks too. This is how flushed my cheek looks after this. And then we apply this on our eyelid and using our brush to just buff. Firstly we use compact to just set our base. Then we use the lipstick only at the outer corner. Then using our brush to just buff it out. Use tapping motion. Buff your color in your eyes and use windshield wiper motion. Use a little bit more if you required. Then apply compact on your lid area using your fingers. Just buff the crease so you don't have any harsh lines. Apply another layer. Use your finger to just tap. Use the remaining color on your brush on your lower lash line. This is our first side look with using a brush. Don't worry about the edges, you don't need to be perfect here. And for my second eyes, I am using my fingertip. Just cover up your base with little bit of compact. Then apply a little bit of color, lipstick. Then use your ring finger to buff the color. You don't need to be precise here. Just buff the color in your eyes. Just buff the color in your. Just buff the color in your eyelids. When you're happy with the intensity, apply compact on your crease. When you're happy with the intensity, apply compact on your lid area. Apply lipstick on the lid area too. And buff it immediately. Use your leftover color in your lower lash line. Apply compact on your brow bone and inner corners too. Apply compact in your brow bone and inner corner too as earlier. Apply a little bit of compact on bridge of your nose and also on the region where you apply the highlight. Now apply a little bit of lipstick on here too. Then apply lipstick on your lips. Buff it with your finger. We use ton of mascara in our eyelashes. Today I'm using Lash Sensational by Maybelline. You can use any other mascara you like. Firstly just remove the excess product. Apply it on your lower lash line too. Another layer. This is my lashes look after applying mascara. This is a really nice mascara to oomph your lashes. Apply it in another eyes too. Apply the leftover product remaining of mascara on your eyebrows. Just comb it upward. Just comb it upward. Look after makeup. It's a really nice trick to use your compact as your highlighter, like highlight your brow bone and your inner corners. My eyes look so lifted after I apply compact on my inner eyes, in the inner corners. So this is my mini tutorial on this look. I hope I completed the challenge nicely. If you like my video, please give it a like, share with your friends. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. So this is a wrap for this video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, keep popping. Namaste. Bye bye.